Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. I hope you all are staying at your home, keeping safe yourself, family, and society. So this time I have taken notice writing, and notice writing is a notice is a very important form of written communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events, and occasions, or announce something that has happened or to be happen. So let's discuss about format. In format, it includes the organization's name and the word notice, date, and heading, writer's name and designation. And content means in content what is to be happen, when to be happen, and where to be happen, and how. And then expression should be means it whatever the matter you are going to write, that should be relevant matter, that should be not added according to you. It should be relevant as it is, and also it should be having grammatical accuracy and fluency. Now types of notice. Let's see how many types of notices are. Notice can be for meeting, notice can be for events like competitions, like tour, celebration, annual sports, cultural events, etc. Notices can be for lost and found. If someone has lost something or found something, so it can be about that. Notice can be about that, finding something and losing something. Now notice can be for seminar, workshop, debate, other literary events, means for the organization, for organizing these things. And notice can be about these events to be happen in future. Notice can be for appeal, warning something, means notice can be to request something and to warn about something. Notice can be for any change of name, residence, and company, etc. So I have made this, you can see here. Well, first you will have to write institution's name, but it should be in block letters, means you will have to write like this, in capital letter, like this. Suppose if you are going to write your name, so write S capital, U capital, N capital, B capital, E capital, A capital, M capital. And again Sultanpur, while you are going to write Sultanpur, then you will write SULTANPUR with capital letters. So keep it in mind, it should be in capital letter. And to the left side, after leaving one line, you will have to mention date of the day you are going to issue. Now heading means about which topic you are going to issue the notice. And then start content. Then name of the writer, name of the person who is issuing the notice, and the designation of the person. Designation means जैसे you are like secretary, or you are here on the post, you are issuing the notice, so you will have to write that thing. See this question. You are Vandita of class 12th as the cultural secretary of your school. So this is designation, this is post of a person, that person who is issuing the notice. Next points to be kept in mind: name of the organization, institution issuing notice should be to the up, in the beginning and in the middle also, to the first place. And second, date should be mentioned to the left side, as I showed you this time. And heading should be below notice, here notice, and below this heading, and this should be in block letters, means this should be also with capital letter. Now Details of event like date, time, venue, duration, number of persons and other details you have to include in your content. And you have to use mostly present or future tense, and put the notice in box as I have made this. I have drawn the line, so you can see in this way you have to put the notice. And very important thing that you have to stick to the word limit, as if you are given word limit 50 words, then you don't have to less your word limit, and you don't have to exceed the word limit. So be stick for that, and be adhere for that. You have to keep in mind that your notice writing should be in 50 words, and not more than, not less than. Okay, I hope you would have understood well, and then complete your homework writing notice. Okay, Jai Hind, students.